Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put about limit. So I approach to number 6 and we have the integration from a to number 8. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x minus 6. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 8, that's it from here. So we put this icon here to find the value of u. So u equals to a minus 6. When x equals to number 8, that's it from here. So I will put number 8 gone here. So 8 minus 6, you got about number 2. So 8 we change by 8 minus 6. About number 8 we change by number 2. This one we change by u. The x we change by the u. So we have 12u to the power of negative number 3 over 4. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 over 4 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 4 plus 1, and we put the bounds from a minus 6 to number 2. So this one we have 1 over 4. This one we have 1 over 4. So number 4 will go to numerator, and you got about number 12 multiplied by 4, and we have 48. And now we can put the bounds gone here, and this one gone here. So when I approach to number 6, we put number 6 gone here. 6 minus 6, you got about 0. So we just have this one left. And this is the final answer. Or we can put this one like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.